Hello everyone, today we're going to be testing if a magnetic plug actually works. We're going to be experimenting by taking a bottle and we're going to be placing the plug on top of the bottle, and then we're going to be filling it with oil and putting magnetic material in there and seeing if it picks it up. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, one of the first things we're going to do is we're going to drill out a little hole so we could put our drain plug in there so we could do our test. Do that really quickly. All right, so we drilled out the top of this bottle and essentially kind of worked out really well. I also put like a little rubber ring around this just to try to seal it up, because we're gonna shake this. But I could kind of screw this on, which is pretty neat. So I'm gonna use a wrench. And this is how it looks. Looks like it's pretty sealed in there. And we're gonna clean that up. There we go. Try to get as much stuff off of it from the shavings. But that is ready to go. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill this with oil, but we're gonna add some simulated debris in there. Okay, we have a paper clip here. And if you look, it's magnetic, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna simulate. We're gonna do 4. Oh, that one went somewhere. 3, and okay, so we have 4 little pieces of paper clip. We're going to put them inside there. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to get some metal shavings. So let's find something metal. Okay, I just had to use a Dremel to get some shavings off of this clip because I couldn't do it with the drill. So I don't think you guys can see this, but there's definitely shavings here. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drop them in here. That's it. So we know that there's shavings in there. We know that there's paper clips in there. Let's just go ahead and put this thing in there too. All right, let's do it. Okay. So this has been quite the experiment. So inside here we have 4 pieces of paper clip. We have that little piece of other piece of metal, and we have some shavings in there. So this is brand new oil, 10W30, and we're just gonna put it inside here. And we're gonna put the cap on it. Oh, look at that. The shavings were in there. All right, so now we've got oil, we got shavings, we have our cap, and we're gonna shake it up. All right, here we go. Okay, let's find out if it worked. And let's see what we have. Okay, first off, we have the big one metal piece, but we are missing, let's see. I could see a little bit of shavings, but not a lot. There wasn't a lot to begin with, but we're missing our 4 paper clips. Of course, this was on this like this, the big one, but you saw it, we shook it, and it's missing the 4 paper clips. Some people could say that the test isn't valid because this piece of metal was on top of this. That tells us that it did pick up this piece of metal, but it left the other one. So I don't know. In my opinion, the reason why I'm not a fan is because the original plug is a little smaller than this. It's not as long. That's why I wouldn't use this. And if the magnet was strong enough, in my opinion, it would have been able to pick up the other paper clips. So let's go ahead and, out of curiosity, let's just shake it up without that big piece. And let's see what happens. Without that big piece, we only get one out of the 4. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie, with the oil, it definitely adds a different factor as far as, I mean, it's helping, it picks something up, but it's not gonna be what people think. It's not gonna grab everything. Well, guys, excited to hear what you think. This was kind of fun to do, and yeah. Well, that was a fun test. And this is a home scientific test. Of course, it's not anything official, but you know what? It's a lot of fun and it does reveal certain things and you learn a lot. Well, if you're interested in this particular plug, I'm not gonna have any use for it. So 10 bucks, PayPal me, I'll send it to you. But yeah, that was kind of fun. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you guys have any recommendations, suggestions for anything for me to test out, I'm always open to that as well. And I appreciate you watching. You guys take care, stay safe, and we will see you soon. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and drill on this clip and see if we get some shavings. Not really coming off.